Hi everyone, this is Ty from Oasis Auto. Today I want to show you how to install our custom fit seat cover for a Jeep Wrangler TJ, which is from year 1997 all the way to 2006. At the year 2003, there is slight modification on the interior. But if you watch this video, you should have no problem installing for both 2003 to 2006 and 97 all the way to 2002. And this specific model vehicle we use is a 97. So from 97 all the way to 2002, they're exactly the same. At year 2003, there is a minor change on the interior, but the installation process is pretty much exactly the same. First, we want to install our seat covers for the front. For the front, basically just grab the correct side. Make sure there is a hole, there's an opening. This is the opening is for the lever. Just make sure you grab the correct side and basically tuck these seat covers right on there. Once you tuck it on, this is what it's supposed to look. Okay, now it's almost on there. You will see that in front, there is like 3 fabric pieces. Right over here, 1, 2, and 3. What you want to do is you want to push this through right in between the backrest and your bottom cushion and just pull them out on the back and do the same thing for all 3. And once you got all of them pushed through, what you want to do is on the back, there will be a Velcro. You just have to open the Velcro protector and then just pull them out, all 3 pieces nicely, and then connect the Velcro, close the edge on the side right over here. For the covers for your bottom cushion, this is what it looks like. Make sure you grab the correct side. If you see an opening right over here, this opening is for the lever right over here. So if you see openings on the left hand side, it means it's for the driver's side seat cover. Basically, for the bottom cushion, there is going to be 3 clips on the back and 3 nylon straps with the male part of the clip. What you want to do is you want to tuck in this piece right in between, just like we did for the top cover, and then push the nylon straps underneath the seat and connect on the back. Only thing you will know is that there is a Velcro part on the side. What's going to happen is once you push everything through, these 2 pieces will connect on the back right over here, just like your seat. Once you put the covers on the back, there will be 3 male clips. All you want to do is connect with the female part, which you push through right underneath the seat from the front. And then on the side, you will see over here, you will connect these 2 after everything is tightened up. Just repeat the same process for the other side. It might seem to be tight. What you want to do is you want to keep pushing, like maneuver it until you can reach here and fully connect with the side to the back. Also, sometimes you will see the elastic band. These bands, you can just cut it, or you can apply one of the hooks. It's a small metal hook, which we will supply in the package. You can apply one end of the hook to the elastic band and another end underneath the seat somewhere. Or you can tie up these 2 elastic bands underneath, because there is one on each side, usually one on the left, one on the right. You can tie them up at the bottom. For the rear seat bottom covers, basically just like the front, you just put it on there, and then there is gonna be 3 straps. You want to push the 3 straps through, pull them out to the front, and connect with the 3 clips in the front. The only difference is that you will see there is some of these white string. The purpose of the white string is for you to pull it so the edge, which is going to be here, is going to be tight. Once you line up the seat covers, sometimes the front is going to be loose, like this right over here. But if you pull it on the back, the front gets tighter and tighter. It creates a better contour. Only thing remember to do is to tie up these 2 white string on the back at the bottom after you pull them. Right now, what we are looking at is the cover for the backrest. It's pretty much super easy once you install the front. Basically, you just hover the whole thing on there, just like the front. Hover the whole thing on, and then you want to push through this piece right at the bottom, connect the Velcro on the back. Just have the gate open and you will connect it very easy.